Well, an unboxing video on Fido the comic strip. Please visit the website.
There's a first time for everything.
Does this thing
Oh, no,
go
wait,
to?
you just need to wait sometime.
Yeah. Ooh, let's see. It's a box within a box. Ah. Can you guess what it is yet?
I know.
Oh, put that aside. Get the box out of the way. And let's center that on the camera. It's the new Macintosh. Wow, look, they've got the front of the computer and the back of the computer. Now I'm gonna have to look at the orientation of this computer in the box. It better be that way. Apple sort of is famous for its boxing. It's sort of like a Tiffany case of boxes. Well, look, you got a little arrow right there, and you. Ooh. Look how nice that tape just rips off. And it opens. Oh, that's interesting. There's a piece of collapsible cardboard on the cover, I think, which is just to protect the computer from any of the shocks.
Okay.
Well,
Are you saying that that's good or?
well, obviously. It's good. And this is supposed to be the front of the box. That's the back of the computer. It looks like hello. This might be the back of the. It might be in backwards. It is in backwards. Let's carefully take that sucker out of there. If I drop this, it'll be on camera. Let's see that. I think I was supposed to be taped along the back, but it's not. That's okay. And it says, hello. Always nice when a computer is so polite. I guess that's a, yes, see another arrow here. Yeah. Guess that's a protective cover that you take off. Yes, it is, and it peels off so smoothly. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the desk.
I would say more, but I don't want to ruin your thunder.
That's okay, Chief Colors. Glad to have you around.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm back.
Well, she'll be back on the show tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we also have in here the accessorize, as they were. Tiny little keyboard. Jeez, makes my hand look big. That is a tiny keyboard.
Well, you know what they say about a man with a 3 hands.
I've got a laptop on this desk right now, and the keyboard in the laptop is larger. This is sort of the size keyboard that you'd see on the old netbooks computers. All right. We have a USB cabled Apple charger, I think. Yep. Nope, that's covered, so it won't charge your iPhone. This probably charges the mouse and keyboard. And speaking of mouse, there's the mouse. And they put a nice little protective condom over it too. I'm gonna leave the condom on it. And in the upper right-hand corner, we have obvious power cord. And some sort of transformer. Probably, yeah, the power cord goes into this. Transforms the power down. All right. Is that everything from you people at Cupertino, California? No. Nope. It looks as I expected. Did they give me some fruity Macintosh stickers? They usually give you fruity stickers that you can put on the back of your car and brag to everyone. Hey, I'm not home. Rob my house.
Well, the Macintosh.
I guess these are the installation instructions. 1, 2, 3.
Well, that'll give you something to do.
And yeah, no, yeah, everything else in this box is just padding to keep you from to keep the post office from destroying the computer and shipment. This thing could probably take quite a fall. Let's just open up some of the packing just to make sure there's nothing hidden. No, yeah, it's just you have a in high school science class they give you a project of dropping an egg out of a third or fourth story window, trying to engineer something that will keep the egg from breaking on the pavement below. Well, it looks like Apple has hired a lot of high school students. Yeah, this is quite a construction. Even the part where the accessorize go, it's got like a vibration shield. It's made out of cardboard. Yeah, this is a funny box. I'm gonna still go through it more just to make sure, because I'm expecting Apple stickers. They always give you Apple stickers with Apple stuff, right? All right. Okay, well, that was my horrible camera work for the unboxing. Hope everyone joins us for Fido Live number 166 tomorrow. That's if the Macintosh actually works.
I'm sure it will.
Oh, those guys at Cupertino know what they're doing.